Oh, look at that. Look at all this light inside. Oh my god.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the last and final video of the F-150 build. Today we're mainly going to be focused on the interior. The exterior is almost complete. We just have to put on this, what would you call it? Headlight frame?
Yeah.
It's not even a fender. And then we got to put this grill on. The fender flares and the fender liners from both sides. But right now we're actually going to go into the interior. I'm going to get the passenger seat back on because it did get restitched. And then the steering wheel airbag, right? Yeah, we got the steering wheel airbag. Throw that in too. Let's go.
Alright, while Roman's working on the seat, we did change the new clock spring in it. So we're ready to actually install this driver steering wheel airbag.
No, it's the passenger steering wheel airbag.
I'm pretty sure it's the driver, I don't know.
Are you sure? I don't know.
Doesn't go back?
Chill.
Alright guys, so we've been working in the dark this whole time using our phones as flashlights. And right when we're about done with this Jeep interior, our Ford F-150 interior, sorry about that. We have a moonroof, right? Moonroof? Is that what they call it? So we got a moonroof right here. So we could have opened it, we have light right there.
Open her up.
So let's see. Actually, we never even tried to open it. That's weird.
Right.
How do you even open it? Right here, right? Oh, look at that! Look at all this light inside. Oh my god! Wow.
Dang.
Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, you open the sunroof.
So our first trying to trying to open the sunroof, and we broke it.
We didn't break it.
We broke it.
No, it didn't.
Like keeps opening on its own. Boom. I think it's a package. It's a part of the platinum edition.
No, you have to adjust it. I guess from impact it shifted a little bit. And I know sunroofs, whenever they shift just a little bit.
It's kind of like the convertibles, right?
Yeah, it's
so
just
I guess
like
when the convertibles, the car shifts, convertible has these two little like needles where they kind of go inside.
You have to have it basically set perfect. So now I think we have to get the alignment set on this.
So we managed to open this section right here. It's a full-on moonroof. Right? Is it moonroof?
Yeah.
That's what they call it?
Sick.
It's so sick. Look at it. It's
start
just all glass. Look at all this light in here. But we just figured that out. There's like miles. There's miles. There's miles ahead of me. There's miles ahead of me.
It's a moonroof though. That's sick.
I think it's like a Ford F-150 Maybach.
Honestly.
I can see Rick Ross rolling, not Rick Ross actually, DJ Khaled.
Because
he likes his space in the back seat,
Yeah.
so I can see him being in this Ford. Just mobbing through, what's that street in
Rodeo
LA?
Drive?
Rodeo Drive, yeah, there you go.
He actually lives in Miami though.
He does, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. So we're pretty much complete with the seat, so let's just use some tough stuff. and get it all nice and shiny. This area over here as well. Alright, we got the seats installed. It's looking good, nice and shiny. We're now gonna move to the front end, completely finish it. Roman actually went to get the plastic piece that goes here, the cover, have that cover, whatever. So we're gonna install the fender flares and also the fender liners. And what else do we got left?
And then we have that grill piece right there.
We have the little grill piece to just throw in here. And we're pretty much just gonna take this truck onto the streets and just pretty much just, I don't know, destroy the engine. I'm kidding, we're not
do a
gonna
little
do that.
off-roading.
We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna test the power in it.
Race the Jeep.
I really wanna test the back seats. There's a lot of room there. There's a lot of room there. It's way more than my G-Wagon. The G-Wagon has completely almost no room in the back seat, right?
You don't drive
You've
in the
been
back
in
seat of your G-Wagon though.
I actually have. I don't remember when.
Anyways, let's get back to work.
Yeah, let's get back to work. Let's kill it. Stop. Let's actually back the truck up so we can have a little bit more room in the front. Alright, hop in. What are you waiting for? We gotta move the truck back.
You're
Alright. Alright, we're good.
alright.
Let's go.
Thanks.
We're not as organized as
I think it's fun.
we're not as organized as my brother. I don't know. We mentioned in the other video how his toolbox looks like.
I think he has OCD.
Yeah, he does. We just don't have time. Alright, 19, right?
Yep.
So,
Right here.
perfect. He's back with the part.
Look who's back.
I'm back with the part. I don't know if you guys heard him. Did you guys hear him?
He's back with the part, yeah.
Yeah, me. I just
He's
brought-
back with the part.
Yeah, I brought the
Yeah.
part back.
Alright.
This is not even 19.
Pop it in.
Oh yeah.
So satisfying.
There's a Liberty Walk. We're gonna put a
White body kit?
Yeah, we're basically gonna install the Liberty Walk body kit on our
That
Platinum.
is sick.
Yeah, look,
First F-150 Platinum with wide body kit.
look at that's almost a whole inch.
We're about to finish this fender liner without tools. Yeah? Agreed? Agree to disagree?
Roman just installed this fender liner with no tools. The man, the myth, the legend.
My tools are my hands. A wise man once told me, you will not run up Mount Everest. You have to take the escalator.
That's what my wise man told me.
All right.
What's in the box?
Is this the last piece to the puzzle? Pretty much. Look at this. It's beautiful.
How much pieces in the puzzle altogether?
What?
Yeah. Like a glove.
Alright guys, this is already the second day. As you can see, it's already getting dark, so let's not kill any time and let's just get this truck shining. Our foam bottle broke, so we just gotta go. We gotta go with that.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Let's see how it works. Sponsored by Fiji Water.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna take the truck for a spin. We give it a little wash. We're not gonna wipe it just yet. We're gonna take it for a spin, do some brake checks so all the water could come out of the grill, all that good stuff. So let's just hop in, see how it does on the streets.
Let's do it.
Why is the camera working? Oh, it's right here. I'm like looking right here, like it's a
Lambo?
yeah. Wow. Check that out though. That's sick.
Gives you a surround view.
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy.
It's platinum. So we're low on gas as usual. We're always low on gas on all of the cars we pretty much vlog, right? So 8 miles left. What's the nearest gas station here?
Arco.
Yeah, no, it's probably put some better gas into it. Like,
There's a shell over here where we went to take pictures.
let's just hit the
Take a right.
street.
Yeah, take a right. Take a right.
Nope, taking a left. Just because you wanted a right, I'm taking a left.
Dude, shell's that way. Shell is that way, my guy.
We're gonna go to Chevron.
Alright.
This thing is so smooth. Oh my gosh, it's really smooth and it's comfortable too. There's so much room.
Just sell the Lambo and we'll get like 5 of these.
This is so comfortable. It's like it floats.
Yeah.
It just floats.
That's a platinum for you.
Hit the streets that way.
Alright. I think. Let's drive off into the sunset.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Easy.
Look at this thing. To 60 in like seconds. That's fast too. It's actually a lot faster than I expected. What is this, like our first truck that we did?
Yeah, basically.
This is really good. This is comfortable, first of all. It's really smooth. I don't know how it is in gas because I haven't owned it long enough. But right now it just looks like it's bad in gas.
I'll definitely tell you that it's better than the G-Wagon, my guy.
Yeah, well, obviously. I think the only like worst car that's worse on gas than the G-Wagon is the Hummer H1. Because before my G-Wagon, I wanted to buy the H1 and
Like daily driven exotics has, huh?
Yeah, but this was years ago. I don't think I even knew. I didn't even know the Dream Exotic. Sorry, Damon. Sorry, Dave. But yeah, I wanted to buy H1 like years ago, and I started doing like research. I wanted to look at reviews on like YouTube. Anyways, I looked at reviews on YouTube, and I think the guy mentioned it was like 5 miles per gallon or something. Yeah, so I was like, oh.
Dang, son.
So,
and how much does your G-Wagon get? 7?
no, it's actually like 10, 11.
That's not bad.
But the thing is, if I'm like in the city, it's like 9, 10. But if I'm pulling a trailer, then it goes to like 7. You know?
That makes sense.
But yeah, this is like it goes over. Like I don't even have to slow down to go over speed bumps.
Let's just.
But I
end it
still
on the
do,
next
you know,
one.
because we drive safe. But I'm just saying, it's just so smooth. The suspension, this is sick. It's like no need to like lift it or anything. Do anything with the suspension work.
And we're back.
And we're back, and 5 miles now. So that's just.
Were we supposed to fill up?
So it says 5 miles to E. Does that mean like to empty, like when it completely just turns off, or like
Let's
just
find out.
until it's empty?
Let's find out.
Okay, let's find out. All right, guys. So the truck is 100% complete, and it cost us about a little over 22,000. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
So
Just a little bit. Like
actually,
$1.
really good price. I think. Do you think it's a good price?
It is.
I mean,
fully loaded
Yeah.
Ford F-150.
Yeah, it's a new, and it was, you guys saw the damage is not that big, and fully loaded, like he said, Ford, new 2016.
Yep.
Yeah, 2016, 30k miles on it. It's crazy. 22k I think is really worth it. So
Yeah.
if you guys are looking for a cheaper truck to get for work, but a newer one, not an older one, so it breaks down, just always go on Copart or IAI or any auction, right?
Yep.
And it's a lot better to just rebuild it. It's cheaper, first of all. That is going to be wrapped for today's video, and our complete truck rebuild. It was only 3 videos on YouTube, so not
was a
that
quick
much.
rebuild.
It was a quick rebuild,
Yeah.
yeah. So I hope you guys like this. Subscribe, like, comment, and let us know what you guys want to see next. We have some ideas what we're gonna do, but we're looking around right now. So hope you guys like it, and yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next video.